Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you this 3D bowl that I made with the Perler Beads. So this is also like the other ones made with the Perler Beads. This one is with the 5mm beads, and then I also made a mini one with the mini beads. Super cute. Yeah, so again, these are made with Perler Beads, and then they're built together. They're not glued together. So these are parts that I put together, so they stay this way unless you take them apart. So this is one of the amazing things that I love about Perler Bead, that you can actually make like a physical thing that is like an actual thing. So this bowl is inspired by Sailor Moon. Sailor Moon is one of my favorite cartoons back in the day, and I have to watch it every day. So before, when I used to go to party and I really want to find a bowl, I don't know where to buy it. But now I found a way to make your own, so you can customize this to the color that you like. So you can even see on the back, it's very, very detailed. So my take on this is the Sailor Moon colors, pink, red, and yellow. So you can also, well anyways, I add the pony bead so I can carry this anywhere I want to. I can go to a party, I can go to, other places with just like carrying this. So you can also make like a mini one, like a little keychain or like a little gift. Or you can put it like around your wrist, so like a wristband. And you can also like tie it with like a hair tie and then add it right here or like to the back of your hair. So I found it like, you can decorate this in many different ways. So if you're gonna do like the Sailor Moon colors, like comment below, or you have any other ideas, like what other cartoon like characters that has like a little beautiful bowl, let me know, comment below so I can check it out as well. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this one. It's actually very, very easy, and again, feel free to change the color, whatever color that you have or whatever color that you prefer. So it's all up to you. By the way, if you have not subscribed my channel, you're going to miss out a lot of new contents and new tutorials like this one that I'm going to do. I try to upload new videos every single week, maybe once or twice. And so if you subscribe my channel and hit the bell, you're gonna get notification like all my subscribers. So I have more like tutorials coming up, like the ones here. Still working on those, and hopefully I can get them out, but I need more of your support and motivation so I can get more tutorials and new contents coming up. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for all your support and your love. I'll continue to make more tutorials and showing you cute stuff and how to make them. If you enjoy my content and my video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. I enjoy sharing cute things and showing you how to make these because I want everyone to make their own cute things and own their own cute thing without, spending a lot of money to buy them. So if you love, making these, and I hope you can share goodies with your friends by just sharing the link and then showing it to them. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, let's get started. So this is the mini one that I made. It's gonna look a little bit different with the big one, just the color. So let's put this on the side. Feel free to change the color that you prefer. So let's come into the base piece. This is the base piece. I didn't want to take the pony beads, so they're already stuck on here. But when you do it, add the pony bead after you're done. So this is the base piece. This is the second piece, and here is our connector. So let's go from the pink bottom to the center. So this is gonna connect the two pieces together like that. And then this one, you see the center goes through here. Okay, maybe a little struggle right here, but it's okay. All right, so we got this, and then this is the second piece from the top. Go to the center. Okay, looks very easy, right? And then now comes the last piece of the top. This is the heart shape. So paste it to the center. So it looks like we're done, but we're not. Let's come into using the smaller pieces and insert them from the back. So let's turn around to the back. The first one we're gonna use is this one. It looks like this, and then it goes to the top. So inserting these pieces is gonna make the piece look so much nicer, and then the piece will be very stable to each other. And then I think this one is gonna go to the top. Going this way, and then the other one. So the longer one goes to the top. Let's flip over and see how it looks. That looks just perfect. And then let's come into the bottom. We have the yellow pieces right here. The yellow pieces, the longer one goes to the top. They fit perfectly. All right, and then this one, we're gonna come to here. I think that's very easy to figure it out, but since I've done it, so maybe it's easier for me. And then the other one goes here. All right, looking good. And then let's come into this one with two beads in the center. So this one would go to the side right here, and then let's go the other side. All right, last two pieces right here goes to the one near to the center. So now our bolt is almost done. Actually, it's done. Look. All right, so this is done. And then so at the pony bead, this is how I did the necklace. And I just added to this center yellow, these two center pieces right here, and then you can add another one to the back or add like hot glue gun. So this is what you get. And then the little one also can change it up with the color, and then add like a little ring here to turn it into a keychain, or you can add like a hair tie in the back, and then just use hot glue gun to stabilize it, and then there you go, you can tie your hair with this. All right, so I hope you enjoy my video, and will give me a thumbs up, and you'll make your own pretty soon. And also tag me on Instagram so I can see what color that you choose to make your bowl and how amazing it's gonna turn out. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Yeah. So you can add the pony bead like I said before, and you can carry it around, and or you can add it to your wrist like a bigger bracelets here, or you can add it to your candy bracelets, or you can add like a hair tie, add it right here, or add it to the back. So many other options that you can take. So if you think of anything new, let me know, comment below. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.